Hello again, so I'm back again for another video. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, this is the first time, subscribe and click on the notification bell so you could get more updates on what I'm gonna talk about, and that is TubeBuddy. What is TubeBuddy? It'll help you grow your channel. Like, it will tell you if this title that you're writing is correct or not. It will help you on your text if these texts are the right ones or the wrong ones that you're using, the descriptions, and it has the checklist that you have already done with your video, like the cards and screens, and you put it on your playlist and much more. So let's go to the computer so I could show you more on how to install TubeBuddy and what are the benefits of having TubeBuddy. And it's one of my favorite also of TubeBuddy. Okay, so we are here in the computer now, and we're gonna type in tubebuddy.com/Smallville85, and then we click OK. Okay, we're just waiting. And it's my second time doing this because the first time I didn't click record. Okay, and then let me log out because I'm logged in my account. And those are my two channels. I'm working on the anime horror. I'm trying to do reaction videos. Okay, so logging in is mostly very easy. Just click here if you have a Google account. Well, you have to have a Google account, I think. Okay, just click it. Okay, it's logging in. Okay, and then I click on my account. That's what the one that I'm using right now for my channel. Okay, mostly we are here already. Mostly it depends on you. Where do you want to click on? Launchpad, promote material, settings, can use static. So I'm just gonna click on Launchpad. It's more easier. Okay, so I have my videos that I recently uploaded, and then the process video, and upload a checklist. Check, all of that. Okay. Let's check on the checklist, which I think we're already on. Okay, yeah. Enter component, and then if you want to see more info, here's the video right in the bottom, but I'm not gonna click it because I'm giving an overview. Best practice setup, that's a good place to also to go to, so it help you, and it does help you like best practice. Click the add item, caption missing, cards missing, pins. Mostly I don't do this because the videos that I do, they're like different. Mostly I don't pay a lot of attention to it. Okay, so let's go where you install it from extension. Okay, just write, just click here actually. So I have to skip steps. You click on web store. Okay, and then right here and search the store, you're gonna write TubeBuddy. Right here. And it's the first one. Just click it. And then you just click here. I just already have it installed right here. Where are you? Right here, well, actually. And then you can also see the video of beginners getting started in 90 seconds. The overview also is already included. TubeBuddy is the premier YouTube channel, manages and video optimized toolkit, YouTube creators will find their new best friend in TubeBuddy. Our browser extension adds a layer of amazing functional right on top of YouTube website. You can perform bulk updates to the video, such as adding a nationals or cards to other videos, in which I'm gonna show you. With just a few clicks, you can find and replace on your videos just as if you were using word processor. You can also generate professional thumbnails using screenshots and branding, text layers. You can engage with your audience quickly and more effectively. You can expect your list of subscribers and their social profiles. You can get details analysis comparing to these channels and promote your new uploads and video. Okay, let's go to YouTube, which I'm already on. So mostly if you already have the extension up here that's already red and white, let's click on TB actually. Okay, and let's click on my videos. I will directly take you to my videos, and you don't have to go to the Creator Studio, etc. And click it again. Okay, it's loading up. La 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 la. Okay, so it went direct to my videos. It's just still loading up. Okay. La, 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 la. Okay, and it shows the other one, the vidIQ, which I also use. They're both good, TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Okay, mostly it pops all the videos, as you already know if you have a YouTube channel. Oh, there we go. Yep, and then it has. Come on. Still loading. Let's keep on going. So let's explore more actually. Let's click it. Okay, let's close this for now. Okay, there we go. Let's click on subscribers actually, or comments. Okay, and I will directly take you to your comments actually. Okay, let's close this also, so we could just focus on the tube itself. Okay, so it takes you directly to your comments. And remember, you should always reply back to your comments, like put a like and a heart, and then write something else, which I haven't been keeping up a little bit, and it's still loading. Yeah, like I got this comment from this video, gave me burp. Okay, so it's back on. Let's click again and see what else it offers. Okay. Okay, it shows the subscribers. As I know, if you click on it, it will take you right to your subscribers, and then your analytics. I will show you directly over there. So the one I wanted to show you more is the Keyword Explorer. That's the one I want to show you more. Okay, so let's write VCR. And then we click Explore. Okay, and it's searching. And as you see, it's not a good idea to just write VCR because it's poor. And then because of the score analysis, search volume is very good and then competition and weighted is very poor. That's where it gets it. And then optimization strings is in the middle with the green and yellow. So that's why it's kind of poor. And then if you go mostly use tags, you see like VHS, YouTube, retro tech. Okay, VHS is 34% that people might find your video. And then YouTube, if you write, these are the tag section actually. It's 27%, and then another 27%. It's mostly you want to click on these. Mostly this if you want to. Okay, so let's write uh, pizza. Let's see. And it's loading. I see another port, but it has 9 out of 100. Yep, same thing. Excellent on search volume, competition. Mostly it's on competition. We also need to work on. It's very poor. And then optimization strength, same thing. And then here on the side, best pizza is 23%, 20%. Okay, low. Okay, so let's write another one. Cody. Okay. Still loading. Okay, so it's poor, but let's click on the weight one. Oh, I can't because I haven't paid the version one. Okay, so search volume is good. Competition again. Okay, it's 94%, and then it doesn't show the percentage. Okay, optimization. This one is a little bit low on the orange, but on the text, Cody 18, if you write that, is 57%. 5 stick is 46%, and then Cody 17.6 is 46%. You could use those tags when you're making your videos. Okay, mostly this is it on what is TubeBuddy software, and I'll leave the link to it so you can sign up if you're interested, which I really do recommend if you're like a beginner channel. It's a very neat app installation, well, how you say, program that has the website tools. I don't know, I never clicked on, okay, Launchpad, all of that, yep. Yeah, mostly this is it for this video tutorial on how to. Okay, and then like I see, oh yeah, I forgot, okay. So if you decide to buy it, we have the Pro, the Star, most popular, and the Legend. Let's go over it. Okay, couple of discounts. I have a less than 1,000 subscribers. I will pay yearly. I have more than one channel. I am partner and I am part of the non-profit. Okay, so the first one is $9 each month. Access to most productivity and video optimizations tools. The Star is $19 monthly. The ultimate in time saving with bulk processing tools, which one is also good. And the last one is $49 a month. Advanced functions for maximum results. Unlimited access to TubeBuddy mobile, which includes, or you can also download it on your mobile. Just go to Google Play, write TubeBuddy, and click on it, and you install it. You'll like it. Because if you want me to make another one for the mobile, just like, comment, and subscribe. Yep. Okay, so I'll just leave you the link below so you could get your free account. And if you want to pay for it, just write Mobile 85, mostly what I write towards the end. And then you put the promo code, and it's gonna be 30%, 20% off. Yes, so this is it. The overview of TubeBuddy. I know there's more, but I just need to make notes of it. Like, I'll probably do another one when I'm uploading a video or something. So this is it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next time.